Welcome to Rust by Examples, Lesson 8. Today we're parsing .toml configuration files. .toml is the format used by Cargo.toml. What is .toml? It stands for Tom's Obvious Minimal Language. .toml is designed to be easy to read and write. Let's see the syntax. First, create a new Rust project. We add Serde with the derive feature. The .toml crate provides parsing. Cargo downloads our dependencies. Let's check our Cargo.toml file. Both Serde and .toml are now listed. Now we create settings.toml. We define app name and version. The debug flag is a Boolean. Sections use square brackets. Database section has host and port. Server section configures our app. Let's save and view the file. How do we parse .toml into Rust? We use Serde Deserialize derive macro. Each .toml section becomes a nested struct. Let's create our config module. We create config.rs for our structs. Import Deserialize from Serde. App config is our top-level structure. It has name, version, and debug fields. Database and server are nested types. Database config holds connection info. Host is a string, port is U16. Server config has host, port, and workers. All fields are marked pub for access. Our config structs are ready. Parsing .toml is a three-step process. Step 1. Read the file as a string. Step 2. Parse with .toml from str. Step 3. Access typed config field. Open main.rs and clear the code. Declare the config module. Import app config from our module. Use stdfs for file operations. In main, read the settings file. Expect handles any errors. Parse the .toml string into app config. The type annotation tells Rust the target. .toml from str does the parsing. Print the app name and version. Access nested database configuration. Print host, port, and database name. Show the server settings too. To run with Cargo run. Rust compiles our project. The output shows our parsed config. App name and version are displayed. Database settings match our .toml file. Server configuration is also correct. Everything works perfectly. Let's recap what we learned. .toml is a readable config format. The .toml crate integrates with Serde. Nested structs represent sections. Great job! Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more Rust tutorials. See you in the next lesson.